Anything in the back, it'll stay on automatically.
That's the laser that goes on the AR.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Don't worry, I wasn't. It wasn't attached to anything.
Oh, he's bringing out the big guns.
Might as well.
Get on the far left. I'm way over here.
Yeah, I'll go to the left. Go to the right.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah.
Let's see y'all move back just a little bit.
Back up, Paul.
Hold on.
Right clear?
One more time.
Dude, I can feel that thing shaking me in the ground.
Then come back. That's crazy, dude. Yeah! Woo!
Cracking.
Yes!
Did you get it?
Mission accomplished. Right as it was finished.
Just like George W. Bush, mission accomplished.
Right.
I mean, we didn't do.
I was like, that tree's cracking. I was like, that tree's falling over.
We need to chop another one now.
Yeah. A bigger one. I stand corrected. Let's go for that one.
Hey, Mr. Harris, you're not gonna be able to do that. No way. No way.
I was wrong.
It's hot in there too. Feeling a woman is down in there. Talk about hot lead.
Wow.
Oh, it must have been going in there. Right there.
Melted it from the inside.
That's off that AR, ain't it?
Yep. Nice.
Freaking awesome.
Dude, we tore it up on the inside.
Yeah, we did. That's why it did. It was all in.